Hello guys, I have enrolled in TD 2 months before, and with a lot of learnings from SB sir, I have created a Ninja landing page using FlexiFunnels, which is a super easy drag and drop builder. It's not only useful in terms of building landing pages, it's also useful in terms of creating a lot of high converting funnels as well. Uh, my product is a real estate video shoot. I just have designed a beautiful looking landing page using FlexiFunnels, which is very super easy, and they also have many templates as well, which you can just click a button and import from it. Yeah, it's that easy. It's very easy. Even a 6-year-old can generate a high quality landing page like that. So with the help of FlexiFunnel, I finally became an ambassador. Thank you, Saurabh sir and FlexiFunnel team for making this happen.